Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today's video is going to be super special because I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, elegant, and timeless pearl ball. Let's get started. Ribbon. Let's take a look at all the materials we'll need for this beautiful project. Voiceover with close-ups. Keycap 1 white. Pearls 6 mm. Keycap 2 fish line 0.3 mm transparent thread. Keycap 3 needle. Keycap 4 scissors. You can easily find all these on Daraz. I've already added the purchase links for both pearls and fish line in the description box below, so you can buy them directly without searching. I personally prefer 6 mm pearls because they create a neat 3D look. Not too big, not too small. Just perfect for this design. Before starting, make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. A flat surface helps you manage the pearls easily. Take about 2 arms length of fish line. That's around 1.5 meters, so you have enough thread to work comfortably. Next, take 6 pearls and string them one by one onto the thread. Once all 6 are on, pass the needle back through the first pearl to make a complete ring shape. Now gently pull the thread tight, and look, you've got your cute little pearl circle. This will be our foundation layer, the base from which the whole flower pattern will build up. Take a short pause and make sure the shape is even. You can adjust it slightly by pulling the thread from both sides. Now we'll start filling the center. Bring the needle out through one of the gaps between the base pearls. Add 1 new pearl, then move the needle into the next gap. Repeat this process until all the center gaps are filled, usually around 4 pearls. Pull the thread gently each time so the pearls sit closely and form a neat center. Once you're done, you'll notice a beautiful little flower shape appearing in the middle. You can pause here, adjust any loose sides, and admire the pattern. It already looks pretty, right? Now that the base and center are ready, we'll move to the final layer. We'll use 6 mm pearls again. For this part, start by adding 1 pearl between every 2 pearls of the base layer. This will give the design a fuller and rounder look. Continue threading slowly, 1 pearl at a time, and keep checking that your spacing stays even. This part can take a few minutes, so take your time. If the thread twists, you can gently straighten it with your fingers. When you reach the last pearl, pull the thread firmly but carefully. Now you'll see the full circular shape of your pearl flower ball. Elegant, shiny, and perfectly round. We'll now secure the thread so that nothing comes loose later. Pass your needle back through a few pearls. This weaves the thread inside and hides the knot. Then tie a small double knot at the end. For extra hold, you can add a tiny drop of clear glue, just a little bit, not too much, and let it dry for a few seconds. Once it's dry, cut off any extra thread with scissors. And that's it. Your pearl ball flower piece is ready. Now let's talk about how you can use this in creative ways. This little pearl ball is truly versatile. You can attach it to your handmade bag, just like I did in my other tutorial. It gives your bag a luxurious, handcrafted touch. You can also use it for hair clips, earrings, bracelets, or keychains, even as tiny embellishments for wedding gifts or home decor. For decor, you can glue them to photo frames, mirror edges, candle stands, or vase corners. It instantly adds elegance to any space. If you have a handmade business, this is a great product to sell. Focus a little on packaging. Maybe wrap it in soft tissue paper, add a thank you note, and place it in a small box. Trust me, Presentation makes a huge difference. And if you find this design a little tricky or simply don't have the time to make it yourself, don't worry. You can also order this pearl ball ready-made directly from the link in the description box. I personally make each piece with love and care, ensuring high quality and perfect finishing. So that was today's tutorial. Simple, classy, and the perfect touch of handmade elegance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment below and tell me what kind of pearl or bead design you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you never miss my upcoming creative video. Something that instantly adds charm to any accessory. You can use this little beauty for so many creative things: bag decoration, jewelry, hair accessories, or even as part of your home decor setup. This design is simple but magical. Once completed, it looks like something you'd find in a boutique. So, stay with me till the very end because I'll be showing you each and every step slowly, with close-up shots, so you don't miss even a single detail. And guys, if you haven't watched my full bag tutorial yet, where I've shown how to make a complete handmade bag with this pearl ball attached, that video is already uploaded on my channel. You'll find the link in the description box below, and you can also click the I button at the top corner to check it out. Believe me, once you watch both tutorials together, you'll have a full idea of how professional your handmade items can look. Sparkling heart. Before we begin, make sure you've subscribed and press the bell icon because I upload new creative DIYs every week. Don't forget to like it, comment below and tell me what kind of pearl or bead design you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you never miss my upcoming creative video. Before we begin, make sure you've subscribed and press the bell icon because I upload new creative DIYs every week.